On Thursday, the Supreme Court's Constitution Bench, led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, issued a significant ruling upholding the constitutional validity of Section 6A of the Citizenship Act by a 4-1 majority. Justice G.B. Pardiwala dissented, declaring the section unconstitutional. The decision follows hearing that began in December last year. The court stated that Section 6A addresses the issue of illegal immigration in Assam following Bangladesh's emergence, which has threatened the region's cultural and demographics. The bench noted that there are 4 million migrants in Assam and 5.6 million in West Bengal, with a more pronounced impact in Assam, justifying separate consideration for the state. Section 6A allows Bangladeshi immigrants who entered Assam between Jan 1, 1966 and March 25, 1971 to register as Indian citizens, while those arriving after March 25, 1971 are ineligible. Petitioners argued that the section is unconstitutional for setting different eligibility dates compared to Article 6 and 7 of the Constitution. The Supreme Court emphasized that all citizens must adhere to Indian law and that the absence of an oath of allegiance before citizenship is not a legal violation. The majority justice concluded that Section 6A does not operate permanently and does not grant citizenship to those entering after 1971. Justice Pardiwala, however, argued that the section is unconstitutional due to its potential implications. The Supreme Court dismissed a petition aimed at halting the swearing-in of the new government in Haryana, which called for re-election on 20 assembly seats due to alleged EVM tampering. Lawyer Narendra Mishra, representing the petitioners, requested an expedited hearing before a bench led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. The Chief Justice cautioned the petitioners, saying, "You want us to stop the swearing of the elected government? You are under our watch. We can impose a fine on you." He instructed the petitioners to share their petition with the Election Commission, and the bench indicated it would consider listing the case for further review. The Madhya Pradesh High Court has granted conditional bail to Faisal, also known as Faizan, who is accused of marking anti-national slogans in support of Pakistan. Justice D.K. Paliwal emphasized that anyone considering similar action should think twice before proceeding. As part of his bail conditions, Faisal must report to the police station on the first and last Tuesday of each month, salute to the national flag and chant Bharat Mata Ki Jai 21 times. This requirement will remain in effect until the case is resolved. The Bhopal Police Commissioner is responsible for ensuring compliance. Faisal has 14 prior cases against him and was jailed on May 17, 2024 for disturbing the peace. A hearing was requested today in the Supreme Court regarding a petition to restore the state status of Jammu and Kashmir. Senior Advocate Gopal Shankar Narayan urged for an expedited hearing, referencing the Supreme Court's previous directive to restore the state status in a timely manner when addressing Article 370. The petition filed by college teacher Zahoor Ahmed Bhatt and activist Khurshid Ahmed Malik seeks a directive for the central government to restore Jammu and Kashmir state status within 2 months. It highlights that assembly elections in the region were conducted peacefully, indicating no issues with the restoration process. The petition also mentions assurance made by the Solicitor General regarding the restoration, pointing out the government's inaction over the past 11 months since the Supreme Court's ruling on Article 370. The Chief Justice has assured that the petition will be heard. Supreme Court CJI D.Y. Chandrachud has recommended Justice Sanjeev Khanna, the second senior most judge, as the next Chief Justice of India to the central government. Justice Khanna is set to take the oath on November 11th, following Chief Justice Chandrachud's retirement on November 10th. The recommendation came after the central government requested in a letter on October 11th. Justice Khanna's tenure as Chief Justice will last approximately 6 months, as he is scheduled to retire on May 13, 2025. Justice Khanna has been a Supreme Court judge since January 18, 2019. And is notable for being appointed to the Supreme Court before serving as Chief Justice of a High Court. He previously chaired the Supreme Court Legal Service Committee and is currently the Executive Chairman of the National Legal Service Authority. Watch our special programs and share the videos for daily court proceedings.